So if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you would have seen this video on this 40-inch bomb lace wig that I posted not too long ago. And I just wanted to make a full video to give you all the details. So this wig is actually from the hair company UNICE Hair. I did start off by watercoloring this hair jet black. Jet black is literally my favorite color ever. It just makes you look a lot more put together. So I did that. I plucked her and I bleached her off camera. And this is just me drying it so we can get her together, slay her, lay her, and just get it right. But as you can see, this part and this lace, the part is literally perfect, y'all. But it's really the lace that we need to get into because I feel like good lace makes or break like a really good wig install. And this HD lace, I'm literally addicted to it. Like I would never go back to nothing other than HD. This is by far the best 40-inch wig that I've received. This is my third one, but all the other wigs that I reviewed, it had just a little bit of something that I didn't like about it. Either it was not thick enough at the ends or the way the wig fit, but this one was literally perfect. It fit my head perfect and it was so full from the root to tip. Definitely right now my favorite wig. Like out of all the wigs that I have, this is my favorite. Look how healthy, shiny, and just lovely the hair is. It's full all the way to the very tip. And that's crazy for this to be 40 inches. I didn't cut any layers because, babe, I need all my length, period. And as you can see, you see how good the lace blends in, and it's not even cut yet. That goes to show you a bomb wig. The trick that I like to do for closure wigs, because this is, if I didn't mention this already, a 40-inch body wave lace closure wig. But what I do like to do instead of, since it's a closure, instead of doing the whole ball cap method around the front, like you would normally do, I literally only do it in the very middle. So it just saves you time and it looks just as great. So we're gonna lay her down and install her like we would do any other wig. It is essential when you are laying your HD lace after you've, applied the glue and or got to be, you need to lay her down with a elastic band. I don't know what it is with the elastic band and the HD lace, but they are a perfect duo and it literally melts into your skin. Please try it if you haven't. After I straightened the hair, I decided to add some really big loose waves with my wand just to give it an effortless vacation vibe. And it was so freaking pretty, y'all. Look how just shiny it is. Like, I know y'all love this just as much as I do. It was so pretty. Here was the final look. Look how healthy it is from root to tip. If you are looking for a 40-inch wig, sis, I highly recommend you picking this one up. There's, like, you literally can't get any better. I've tried so many wigs, and trust me when I say, this is bomb. So if you did want to pick up everything on, of course, everything on this wig is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one.